Good evening, students. Hope you're all doing well. Here's a very short message for the CA final and CMA final regular batch aspirants. Regular batch in the sense the coaching meant for those students who are going to take classes for the first time. For the first time, listeners. To be very honest, the batch has been commenced in the last week of December 2021 itself. Now, we are just selling the video recorded classes of the batch that was commenced in the last week of December 2021. And by the way, this batch is meant for both CA final and CMA final regular batch aspirants. I mean to say, those who would like to take coaching classes and would like to appear for on or after November 2022 attempt or December 2022 attempt. As I just told you, the physical batch in where the classes will be held physically, otherwise called as offline batch, was already started in the last week of December itself. And in that batch, at that time, we have given admissions in 3 different modes. One, the physical batch, otherwise popularly called as CPB, complete physical batch. The second one, online batch, otherwise popularly called as complete online batch, COP batch, where the physical batch classes will be live telecasted through a software similar to Zoom. And the third one, which is otherwise called as VOD batch, video on demand batch, otherwise called as video recorded lectures. So as of now, the admissions are available for CA final and CMA final regular batch aspirants. Those who are going to take coaching for the first time, only to the third one, that is VOD, video on demand batch. And we have commenced taking admissions from March 1st, 2022. And here is a list of the faculty. And the video's validity will be up to December 1st, 2022 with 1.5 views option. And the uniqueness is not many coaching centers are offering this unique point of sale. Not many coaching centers are offering this unique supporting system where the coaching is available for all the 8 subjects under one roof. All the 8 subjects, either for CA final or CMA final, are available under one roof. And even the subject-wise coaching is also available. And again, the subject-wise coaching is available in 2 different formats. One is called 1.5 views with a validity of 6 months, if I remember correctly. 6 months, if I remember correctly. The second one is 1 view with a validity of 3 months. In such a case, the fee that will be charged is much lower. Much lower. So I'm talking about the subject-wise coaching. Now, coming to the SSP students, the single-step program students, they need to make a payment of caution deposit, and that caution deposit will be refunded after completion of the batch, and the details will be given at the time of admission itself. And please do note that we are thinking to increase the fees from the upcoming May 2022 batch for the reason that we haven't increased the fee of CA final or CMA final regular batch since from last 2.5 years for the reason of Corona, for the reason of COVID. It is likely to be, we haven't taken any concrete decision, but there is a very good chance that the fees is going to enhance. This fees is going to increase from May 2022 batch. See, if any of you are interested to take coaching in May 2022 batch, they are advised to take the benefit of the old fees by taking admission in the 26th regular batch. Right now, the admissions are going on. And I even share the faculty details also. The other beauty is, unlike many other coaching centers, we are going to offer a very detailed discussion, and you'll be surprised to know that the coaching for CA final will be approximately to an extent of 15 to 1600 hours. And the coaching will be absolutely in English with the best of the best faculty in the industry. We're offering the coaching for all the 8 subjects under one roof. for all the 8 subjects under one roof. And coming to the achievements, these are all the achievements at CA final level or CMA final level. My dear students, before I proceed further, let me be very humble. Let me be very honest. Before you take a decision whether to join into masterminds or not, don't give more importance to our ranks. Rather than to our ranks, give more importance to our commitment, our dedication, our experience of more than 20 years. Now coming to what are the ranks that have been achieved by our students at final level of CA or CMA. Either CA or CMA. The recent ranks achieved by our students in the February 2022 results. Our students are secured all in the 19th rank, 30th rank, and 40th rank as well. Apart from that, in the last 5 years, near about 49 all India ranks have been secured by our students, which amounts to approximately 10 all India ranks on a year basis. 10 all India ranks on a year basis, and which includes the following single digit ranks: all India first rank, all India fourth rank, and all India 9th rank as well. And there is a lot of transformation in CA final and CMA final admissions as far as masterminds is concerned. Once upon a time, long back in the year 2010 or 2012, we used to have a lot of good name. We used to have a lot of reputation for CA-CPT. Those days, it was a sentiment in the students community as well as in the parents community that if any students get admitted into masterminds for CA-CPT, there is a high probability that the student is going to qualify the CA-CPT. Now, I just told you, there's a lot of transformation. Now we are getting a similar reputation and similar response for CA final and CMA final as well. Thanks to our team members and thanks to the students community and the parents community also. And these are all the ranks that we are secured in the last 3 years, in the year 2020, 2021, and 2022. I'm just confining my discussion to only all India first ranks. In 2020, 3 of our students have secured all India first rank. One, Mr. Pranit has secured all India first rank in final, CA final. Guru Bhaskar has secured all India first rank in CMA final. Deepak have secured all India first rank in CMA inter. And in 2022, Nikhil has secured all India first rank in CMA final. And very recently, Yashwant has secured all India first rank in IPCC. I repeat once again, before you take a decision whether to join into masterminds or not, give more importance to our experience, our commitment, our dedication, our team of faculty than to just our ranks. And students, if at all, if you're interested to buy the subject-wise coaching videos, you need not contact any of our members, staff members. You can directly download the Masterminds online classes app, and there you can buy the subject-wise coaching videos of CA final and CMA final. And again, I repeat, the subject-wise coaching videos are available in 2 different formats. One with 1.5 views option, 6 months validity. Second one view, 3 months validity. And of course, in case of the second one, the fees is much lower. Apart from these videos, you can even find the rapid revision batch videos in our Masterminds online classes app for majority of the subjects of CA final. And again, these rapid revision batch videos are available for sale in 2 different formats. With first one view, 1 month, second one, 1.5 view, 3 months. And the fee will be very much affordable in case of the first one. I mean to say 1 view, 1 month. For more details, you may please feel free to contact our helpline numbers 9881250001 and 9881250003. Let me repeat, we are thinking to increase the fee from the upcoming batches, which are likely to start in May 2022. So it is my sincere advice, if at all, if you're interested to take admission into Masterminds in the upcoming batches, better to take admission now itself. And the video's validity will be up to December 1st, 2022. which will be approximately for 8 months, which will be approximately for 8 months. See, if you feel that 8 months is not sufficient to finish the coaching for both groups, then you take admission for single group, either for group 1 or group 2 or subject wise. All the best. God bless you. Thank you very much.